In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom email address into ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through the quickest and simplest way to do this, right from within your campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can send emails from your own custom address instead of a default one. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the section labeled Campaigns. This is where all of your email broadcasts live, and it's also where you can set up a new sending address on the fly. Click on Campaigns to open that area. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Create a Campaign. Go ahead and click that if you want to start a brand new email. If you already have a campaign in progress and you'd rather use that, you can just open an existing draft instead. Either option will work for adding your custom email address. After you choose or open your campaign, you'll move through the usual setup steps until you land on the campaign summary page. This page is important because it controls some of the most visible details of your email, like who it appears to come from. On the campaign summary screen, look for the field labeled From Email. This is the address your subscribers will see in their inbox when they receive your message. By default, ActiveCampaign may suggest an existing address, but you can change it. Click into the From Email field, delete any existing address if needed, and type in your custom email address exactly the way you want it to appear. Take a moment to double-check the spelling, the domain, and any dots or dashes. A typo here can prevent your emails from sending correctly or can cause them to bounce. Once you've entered your custom address, ActiveCampaign may prompt you later to verify or authenticate that email or its domain, depending on your account setup and sending reputation. That's normal and helps improve deliverability, so more of your emails actually make it to the inbox. After you've set your custom From Email, you can continue building and sending your campaign as usual. From now on, that address will be available as a sending option when you create future campaigns, making it much faster to stay consistent with your branding.